Brahma, why are we using two litmus papers? The red litmus paper is used to test the basic solutions and the blue litmus paper is used to test the acidic solution. Can we use litmus paper to understand it more clearly? Yeah, you guys can get a red and a blue litmus paper and some lemon juice, soap and water. I will go get the litmus paper. I will go and get the other things. Thank you. Take one red and one blue litmus paper. Put one drop of lemon juice on both. Observe carefully and repeat the same experiment with soap and water. So, what did you observe?
For the lemon juice, the color of the blue litmus paper changes to red, but the red litmus paper remains the same.
The color of the blue litmus paper did not change for the soap, but the red litmus paper changed to blue. For water, none of the litmus paper changes its color. Are they defective? The red litmus paper did not change its color when tested for lemon juice because it is acidic. And as I told you before, it is the blue litmus paper used to test for acidic substances. And when it comes to soap, it is basic. This is why only the red litmus changed its color, not the blue one. Spot on. What about water? Water is neither acidic or basic. So, none of the litmus paper showed a color change. Satya, when will you stop blaming everything on the equipment?
Now you know it's not defective.
With this, we now have another classification of substances. The substances that are neither acidic nor basic are said to be neutral. Noted.